I'm going to show you how to create these free Pixar-style characters that you can put your own name on and use them for like a Christmas card. Let's jump in and see how it's done. So open up your favorite browser and go to bing.com. Next, we're going to click on Images up here at the top, and then we are going to click on Create. Now this is going to take us to Bing's AI, and you can go ahead and type in a prompt and create your own images. But if you don't have a Bing account, go ahead and click on the Join and Create right now to get started. Super easy. Just drop in your email and go through the process to get set up. Once you're logged in, you can go ahead and put in your prompt up here at the top. I'm going to put in a realistic Pixar-style 3D character and a whole bunch of more text, words, and keywords to use. But don't worry, I've got the whole prompt located in my description. It's too long just to read this off to you. So I'm going to drop that in and then click on Create. Now the image creator is going to bring back some results for you that you can click on and scroll through and see which ones that you like. Now once you've made your selection, you can go ahead and click on download and save it to your computer. Now you could stop right there and just be done with it, but since we have Photoshop, we're going to add a little bit more snazz to it. Inside Photoshop, I've created this canvas. It's a 1080 by 1920 in size, and I'm just dropping my image in there, scaling it up and repositioning it where I need it. Next, I'm going to make a selection up here at the top and just click on Generative Fill and just click on Generate. I'm not dropping in any type of prompt. I'm just going to let Photoshop take its best guess at what should be there. Photoshop's going to give me a couple of options. I'm going to scroll through and pick the one that I think looks best. Now I'm going to do the same thing down here at the bottom. Just make another selection and click on Generate. I'll scroll through these and pick my favorite. Now to turn this into a true Christmas card, we have to say Merry Christmas up here at the top. So I'm just going to drop in some type and just type in Merry Christmas. And I'm going to pick a font face that's probably a little bit more Christmassy. Next, I'm going to click on Type, Warp Text, and then select Arc. I just want a gentle curve, and around 10 should be fine for what I need. I'll do some final stylizing by just adding a drop shadow to it, just to make sure that I have enough contrast between the text and the background. Now that I have that dropped in, I'm going to do the same thing down at the bottom, but I'm just going to put in our little character names here just for a nice little touch. I'll apply a drop shadow, and I'm also going to apply a gradient overlay. Now I've got a ton of gradients loaded in my system, and I'm just going to pick one that I think would look nice and get that applied to it and dial it in. Alright, this is looking great. So I've got some other images that I have generated for some family and friends, and I'm going to put those into a Christmas card as well. Hey, if you found value in this video, go ahead and click that little like button right now, the little thumbs up. Be sure to just subscribe because it helps out my channel a lot, and I'll make some more videos just like this. This was a fun project. I've got some other great videos lined up just for you. Actually, here's one that you can click on right now. YouTube thinks this one you would like, and I think that you will too, but it takes you to go ahead and click it. So go ahead and click it. I'm waiting over there for you right now. Just all you have to do is just click on the video and I will be there and you will too. So I will see you in the next video.